this video, I will show with you how you can check online in Ethiopian Airlines. So all you have to do, go to Google, search for Ethiopian Airlines. This is keyword. After that, all you have to do, click on check-in option. Click on check-in option. From here, you have two options, guys. You have check-in, you have ticket number and booking reference. All you have to do, choose booking ticket number here, write your last name, write your referral code if you have referral codes, and write your ticket number. You can get your ticket number from here, guys. Look for ticket number on ticket here on Ethiopian Airlines. You will see ticket number here, all details, your ticket from this here. You can get your tickets here. Just copy this ticket and click check-in option. You can also check with a booking reference. Write your booking reference and click check-in. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this tutorial helpful. If you have any question, you can reach me on the comment and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible, guys, and keep watching.